Oh, honestly, Francis, you're hopeless. We'll ring the bell instead.
What a strange place. It's like something out of a Hammer horror film.
Someone's coming.
Come in. We've been expecting you.
Sorry, expecting us.
Not another word. Come in. You'll catch your death.
Thank you very much.
I wondered if we could possibly use your telephone. You see, our car has broken down.
Dinner will be served in 10 minutes. A glass of champagne is in order, I think.
Now look, there must be some mistake.
Oh, I don't know. Never say no to a glass of champagne.
Cheers. What on earth is that?
It's the master. Sounds like he's waking up. He'll be down now.
I think we should go. Don't you, everyone? Good grief.
What on earth was that?
The master, down for dinner. I'll just call the other guests as well.
The other guests?
Yes, they're just hanging around upstairs.
And what's for dinner?
You.